Hello, I'm Ben and welcome to Recipes Around the World. I'm joined once again by my beautiful, intelligent, sweet daughter Akira. And today we're going to be making another smoothie recipe for you guys. Are you excited, Akira?
I'm super excited.
Yeah? Okay, let's do this. Okay, so the smoothie we're going to make today, Akira, is a fruit and yogurt smoothie, okay?
Okay.
Now, I know you're a kid, and like all kids, you like sweet things, okay? So normally I would use non-fat yogurt, which is a bit sour to the taste, but I don't think you're gonna like that, okay? So I'm gonna use regular yogurt here. This is strawberry yogurt, okay? Which has a lot of protein.
Oh, we have strawberry here.
Yeah, so this is also a sweeter brand of yogurt, okay? It's healthy too, just not as like pure as the non-fat yogurt, okay? All right, so let's get to it. So first we're gonna do the ingredients. We're gonna go over the ingredients, okay? And then you're gonna help me by measuring the ingredients, the amount of fruit servings into the blender. You're gonna do putting the fruit in the blender. We're gonna blend it. You can do it right now. And then we're gonna taste it, okay?
Okay.
So let's go over the ingredients first, okay? So we have the ingredients chopped in here, the fruit ingredients chopped in here, all right? So in here we have strawberry, which has vitamin C. Do you remember what vitamin C does for you?
It makes you healthy and your immune system to fight off a lot.
Good job. Healthy in your immune system. So vitamin C is good for your immune system, right? What else do we have? We have peaches in here. Peaches have vitamin A and vitamin C, and they're also good antioxidants. We have mango. Yeah, good job.
Pineapple.
And pineapple. So this is what a mango looks like in its raw form, right? You want to hear a fun story?
Yes.
So I grew up, part of my childhood I spent in Nigeria and Ghana, both very hot tropical countries. And in those places, mango trees are everywhere. So when I was a kid, I could be walking down the street or whatever, or with my friends or by myself. And if I saw a mango tree near my school, I could just, take my shoe off or a stone, just throw it in the tree and try and hit a mango, a ripe mango that was hanging. And if it fell to the ground, just dust it off and eat it, right? It was everywhere, right? So mangoes are originally from, I think they're from India, like South Asia. That's what the research says. But I grew up with mangoes in Africa, in West Africa. They were everywhere. So yeah. So mangoes are very good. They're very nutritious. They have a lot of like vitamin C. A lot of people say that they're also good for helping keep cancer away, just like pineapple, right? So very good to eat those. So we have our yogurt we talked about already, and we have blueberries. So a lot of fruit, a lot of yogurts.
Oh, and these cups.
We have cups to use to measure, and we have like natural organic fruit juice too. Okay. So what color do you think it's going to be?
Pinkish.
Purplish, pinkish. Okay, I think so too. Okay. So let's do this quickly. All right. So let's measure. You're going to do the measuring and filling and putting in there. Okay. So let's do, for all of these, we're going to do 1.5 cups. Okay. So which one? Oh, and these cups, these measuring cups are by our friends at Good Cook. These are great measuring cups. Okay. Good Cook made these. So let's measure 1.5 cups. Okay. So that's 1 cup. Fill it with the fruit. Okay. You can use a spoon if you want. Good job. Okay. Good job, Akira. Try and get a good mix of fruit, okay?
This is the only strawberry here, so.
That's fine, that's okay. Okay, so that's 1. Put that in. Okay. Okay, dump it in. So we're doing 1.5.
This one's stuck.
That's okay, just hit. Good job, you got it. So I'll take that, I'll rinse that off. So wait, can you find the 1/2 cup?
Here.
Yeah. So do 1/2 cup of fruit.
This is fun.
Yeah, it is. Okay.
I need some blueberries since there are so many blueberries.
Yeah. Good job, Akira.
Dump it in.
Good job. Good job. Okay, let me rinse this off. Okay. So we're doing either 1 or 1.5 cups of yogurts. Okay, so let's take this yogurt.
Okay.
Okay, I'm going to open it up. Can you scoop this out?
Okay.
Okay,
And
and
pour it
put,
in?
yeah. So
All of it?
sure. Well, we're trying to measure, right? So let's just see if it fills at least 1 cup. All right. Normally I would say just pour it in. Use a spoon, Akira. Use a spoon. You got it. Good job. Okay. So keep on going. Get everything in there. Good job. Go on, keep going. So that's about 1 cup, right? Yeah, I just want to see how much it measures, okay? So that's 1.
Wait a minute. Just a moment.
There's more. You got everything?
Got
Okay.
it.
So let me take that from you. Okay, so just make sure we got everything. Good job, good job, good job. Okay, so that's 1. And we're going to do 1/2 cup as well, okay? So let's
Oh, I'm
just,
sure this is gonna fill quickly.
oh yeah.
Okay.
So do the half,
Okay.
yeah, sure.
Can you hold the
Okay, you got it? Okay. Oh, look at that. Nice sweet yogurt. You're going to love this one. Okay, that's enough. Okay. Good job. Okay, so we got roughly 1.5 cups in here, so let's put this in here. I just wanted to measure to see.
Can we rinse this too?
Oh, but you needed to scoop it into the thing, no?
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so fine. If you want to rinse it, I can rinse it. Okay, so here, scoop that in there. Make sure you get everything. Hold it carefully so we don't drop it. Okay, you got it? Good job, Akira. Try and get everything. Make sure everything in the cup is out.
Everything is out.
Good job, good job. Okay, scoop this one. Hold it carefully. Hold it carefully. Get it in there. Got it? Okay. Good job, good job. Okay, so the last thing is that we're going to do 1 cup of our organic fruit juice, okay? 1 cup. Okay, so this has banana, and pineapple, and orange, and all kinds of fruit in here. Lots of vitamin C in this as well, okay? So I'm going to pour it.
And I'll pour it in.
And you pour it in, so hold it carefully, okay? All right, you got it? Watch your hands. Good job, Akira. Good job.
Whoa. Bubble.
Yeah, bubbles. Okay, so you have the honors. Okay, put your hand on top. Push the on button. Put your hand on top too. Okay, push it. Okay, we have 2 glasses.
This looks awesome.
Oh, well, you made it, so
It was purplish pink.
yeah. You're right, it did come out purple.
It's a lot purple and a little bit of pink too, but a lot purple.
Yeah. So this is very healthy, okay?
Wait a minute, wait a minute.
What's wrong? Watch your hands, please.
Oh wow.
Tastes good?
It
No, we have to cheers
My
first.
lips from my fingers and my. It's good.
Okay, so ready?
Ready. I'll make a speech first.
Make your speech.
So, from these past days, which is 1 day, I had fun making these videos, which is only one video with me in it and you in it, and these drinks, which is only one.
Well, we've made two. This is the second one. But yes, I'm happy too. I'm very proud of you, Akira. Okay, you ready?
We shall cheers with honor.
With honor. Okay. 1, 2, 3.
Cheers.
Cheers. I like it. You like it? Sweet, right?
I have never liked a very great drink that's healthy for you before.
And you like this one? This is your first one? Wow. That's a big thing. If Akira likes a healthy smoothie.
For the first time.
Wow.
Now you can use this recipe. You can just find this on Instagram or YouTube if you're gonna post it. And you can use this recipe.
Oh man. Well, I'm happy you like it, Akira.
And there's no chia seeds. That's even
No chia
better.
seeds, right?
No
That's good.
seeds in it. That's even better.
It does taste good. I actually like it a lot. Yeah. And I think using the sweet yogurt is what make the big difference. Because if I had used the non-fat regular yogurt I was going to use normally for this, like if I was making this for just myself, I would have used the non-fat yogurt, but that one's a bit sour, so that would have been too strong for you, right? And you get a little older, you can handle sour stuff. But I know you're a kid, so you like sweet stuff.
Okay.
All right. So, anyways.
Use this recipe
All right.
in the link description.
Okay. So you sign us out. Sign us out. Thank you for.
Thank you for watching. You can use this recipe. You can use it if you have kids. You can use it if you are a kid that's older than a younger base. You can use this recipe and make it for yourself. If you are a fan of veggies.
No, there are no vegetables in this. Only
no
fruit.
vegetables. If you are a fan of healthy drinks. And yeah. Thank you for watching.
Good job, Akira. High five. So, thank you for watching this video with me and Akira. We had a good time. We're gonna make another smoothie in our next video. I will post the ingredients we use for this recipe in the description and in the shot coming up after this. Please subscribe, please follow us, please subscribe to the channel. Again, Akira and I thank you for joining us, and we'll see you on the next video on recipes around the world. Okay, let's say bye, Akira.
Bye-bye.
Bye.